Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how we can start a watch party in Facebook. I'm using the web version of Facebook. The process is similar in the Android or iOS version. I will be showing it in one of the coming videos. So let's focus on web version, how we can do it. So first of all, you can either directly start from your create post option, which is coming here, and click on the three dots and go to watch party. And the other option is you need to go to your profile, your timeline, and click here and start the watch party. So watch party is basically you are sharing with your friends the videos that you are watching. Maybe it's a live video or the video you have watched before, or even you can add a specific video, and even you can invite people. So you can see the options that are available here. It's one of the good feature coming that came into the Facebook recently. So you have different options when you click on this one. For you that they have given, Facebook is suggesting the playlist, and you can see the already watched videos and live videos that are happening across the world, which is having higher number of views. Like you can see 15.5k views are there for this specific video related to Father's Day, whatever. And if you have any saved videos, that will be displayed here, and my videos, which means the videos you have uploaded, that can also be shared as a watch party. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stream, or I'm gonna add some of the videos that I have watched. Most of them, I think it's related to the animals. So I have added 3 videos to queue. You can add multiple number of videos to the queues for your friends to view, and you can even tag your friends for the watch party, and you can give the activity feeling happy, or for example I'm gonna write feeling happy along with the watch party, and you can even give a caption for your watch party. Just watch this, guys. Okay, and you can add videos if you want to add more, but right now you can see 3 videos I have added. And for example, if I want to tag someone, let me tag one of the friend that I have in my Facebook. And your newsfeed, you can make it public if you want to publish it to the public. And friends plus means the person who tagged plus their friends will also be able to see in default. So I'm going to go with the public option and just post. So let's just click on the post option. Then you can see your watch party is about to begin. The person who are tagged will be notified, and other of your friends, your followers, will be able to see the video. You can see that the video is being played in the watch party. And even you can add videos directly here after the watch party has finished. After all the 3 videos been played, you can add it. The similar options are available, and you can even edit the queue. That means the 3 videos that you have added, you can edit the queue. You can see the up next videos are there. You can directly play from here if you want to switch, and that's all. That's how you can do it. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Stay tuned. Goodbye.